I need stabilisers, okay? Oh, look how stunning they are. They are gorgeous. Okay, honey, we're in business. Yeah. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Finn and I post content twice a week. In today's video we're going to be taking a dive and having a look at the Boss Babe palette by a company called Beauty Boss. Now, I'm going to insert some ads here, but these crop up all the time on Facebook and Instagram. I'm telling you daily, so you might see ads like this, ads like this. They're everywhere, and despite them being everywhere on Facebook and Instagram, I can find one good video reviewing this on YouTube. So evidently people are buying it, but they're not reviewing it on YouTube, so that's what I'm doing today. We are going to be doing some swatches, trying out some looks, seeing whether or not it actually works, whether it's worth it, because for an indie brand, these are not cheap. This palette in itself, I'm pretty sure was meant to be like £35. I had a lot of discount with a code through Facebook. I'm certain I ended up paying about £17 for this, which for, like I say, for a big palette, that's not bad. It's quite a good value, but it's indie. I don't know whether or not it's going to work. It could be really chalky, it could lack pigment, I don't know. So, could be a waste of money, could also be a massive bargain. Let's have a look on the inside. I actually really like this kind of like packaging, like Boss. So it comes like this, it comes in the bubble wrap in the box, and then this is the actual palette. So it's not a thick palette, it is quite nice and thin, quite skinny, but then that also worries me because I wonder like whether or not the pans are going to be quite thin. But yeah, that's what we've got. And then if we just open it up, also comes with bubble wrap on top as well as a plastic film. So let's take the plastic film off so we can actually see without my lighting getting in the way. I don't know what it is recently, I'm so into bright pigment shades. Like all of the looks I've been creating recently have been really bright, well out of my comfort zone. Here's the colour story. We've got a lot of blues, a lot of pinks, oranges. Like I said, it's just bright. It's really bright stuff. What I'm worried about is whether or not it will actually brighten the skin, so I'm going to swatch all of these colours really quickly for us to see. There are no shade names, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but the pans are obviously very skinny, so you're not getting a lot of product there. In my opinion, I don't think you are. That is a gorgeous turquoise colour as well. Let's see whether or not that layers. That's super pretty. I love that. We're going to be using that one today, definitely. I'm running out of room. Oh, look how stunning they are. They are gorgeous. Wow. I love them. Okay, so I do really want to try this and shove it on my face. I'm so excited. It's been in my drawer for like 2 weeks. I haven't got around to filming it yet, so we're going to put this on my face. I really want to give it the best possible chance that I absolutely can, so I'm going to be using all of my Morph brushes. I've got my normal Morph ones, my Jeffree Star ones and my Coca-Cola ones. And I also want to give myself the best possible chance, so I'm going in with masking tape for my eyes. I need stabilisers, okay guys? I need my stabilisers. I've got no idea what look we're going for today. No idea. I just sort of wanted to test it, shove it on my face. I couldn't find any actual formal reviews from a makeup artist. And if that's what you're here because you've typed that in and you're looking for a makeup artist, I'm very sorry. Taking my favourite Coca-Cola one, and I really want to go in with that turquoise shade. So we're going to take this turquoise one. Oh, that picks up really nicely. That picked up beautifully. And pop that in our crease. Okay, that is a really pretty colour. That is a gorgeous colour. Doesn't feel chalky either. How pretty is that? That's so pretty. What colour should we go in with next? Shall we try a purple and blend that out? Let's try a dark purple. Oh, that did well. Okay. So far so good. Wow. I'm loving, this is the best purple I own so far. A few weeks ago I asked you guys to send me a purple that you liked. Don't need it anymore, thanks anyway. That's so pretty. And I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there is no fallout. There is nothing falling out at all. Let's take a little bit of the black and just create myself a bit of a wing. Wow, okay. Let's go with a little bit of yellow. Let's do that. I'm going to take another flat brush and pick up some of the yellow. I was super excited for this yellow colour, so hopefully it lives up to its expectations. Okay, honey, we're in business. We are actually in business. These apply so much better than what they swatch. And then we're going to take a fluffy brush. Ready? Boom. Let's take the navy blue colour and just brush that on. Ooh! Okay, so far I'm loving that. That worked really, really well. My blending is not great by my eyebrow, it never has been. You can check my other palettes, sorry. I really like that. Right, okay, what I'm going to do as well differently for this eye is I'm going to actually put some concealer on, see whether or not that makes any difference. I'm not sure it will because like that's happened already, so let's just do that quick. I'm just using a really cheap one from MUA. Nothing I buy is ever like expensive, it just normally does the job. Let's go with the light green first. Again, wow, okay. I really, really did not have high expectations for this. I really didn't, and I actually feel a bit bad now. Fly. Such a stunning colour as well, like, that's so pretty. This one. Oh shoot, I forgot my stabilisers. Right, dark green, let's go. Let's cut that really quickly. My concealer just exploded. This might go horrifically wrong. So I'm going to take one of the pinky shade, no, one of the orange shades. I suppose it's actually more a bit like coral. It's not really pink, it's not really orange, it is just, like it's right in the middle, kind of. And I'm going to attempt a little bit of a halo eye with this. Not really sure how well this is going to go. Bear with me. Now I want to take a really, really bright pink and shove that in the middle. Wow, that is so pigmented, look at that. I do want to test the glitter, but I just don't want to ruin it. Should we try and put some of the pink on my lid? Oh, okay, no, I like them. Wow. Super. Right guys, I'm going to go and put on some mascara and some lipstick. I'll get right back to you. We get to see the final reveal. I know I've done two different looks. I look a little bit mental, but I just really, really wanted to try most of the colours, as many colours as I could, so I'll be right back. Hang fire. Right honeys, I'm back. This is what the final look looks like. Obviously, like I said, we've done two different looks. But if you just imagine like one side and then the other side, we're going to use our imagination here and pretend that I look normal. So my final thoughts on, well, my thoughts on this palette, they're not final yet, I've only used it once, but wow. I went into this wholly expecting it to be chalky, to be mismatched, to just not be good at all, and wow. I have nothing else left to say, like I love it. The only thing I know that I'm going to have to work with and try to learn how to use are the glitters. Like I've got a glitter on this eye, and you can kind of see the glitter, but I know that it's not done right. I know that it's not, and that's not on the glitter I don't think, because it works. I think that's on me. I need to learn how, what? I need to kind of learn how to do glitter properly. I don't use an awful lot of glitter. I like shimmer shades because they go on with the finger, they're really nice and easy. But actual glitter, unless it's loose, I just don't have a clue. But anyway, this is the look. I'm in love. I really like it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have a fantastic day, evening or weekend wherever you are in the world, and I really hope that I get to see you guys again in the next one. Until then, love you, bye.